and we are here with Love Synthesizers and Kari, right?
Hi, yeah, welcome again, welcome back. We're very happy to say that we've been working very much on our hardware, getting it kind of into a producible state. So we have these demonstration units now that are very different from the kind of do-it-yourself prototypes that we had last year. A little bit of a new layout, but the same basic style. We have hardware inputs and outputs here, headphone and 2 mono outs, which are actually reroutable to be 4 separate mono outs. So because it's a multi-timbral machine, you can instead route separate timbres to separate kind of the 4 channels, left, right, or you can just do 2 stereo mixes.
That's great.
We have, like before, regular DIN 5 MIDI in and out. We have sync options. And electricity and connection options with USB-C.
Lovely.
So we have 2 colors now as well. The pink one that we really like, and the white one.
Looks
Both
great.
Are going to be for offer as a kind of pre-sale item that we hope to be able to, or are delivering in the first quarter of next year. So we're hoping to deliver it right at the beginning of next year, but we're
amazing,
aiming for that.
And you did win an award last year with Sonicstate, I believe.
Yes, we did win the Innovation Award, and we were very happy with that. And that gave us a boost to really kind of kick into high gear and get to where we are now.
Excellent.
So I'm just going to look at kind of the basic interface, same as last year, except we have kind of more controls through the knobs like before. And this one isn't connected. We have a musical artist here that'll hand over later to do a nice set. But right now, we have these kind of touchscreen changes to the amplitude and to the frequency. We have it on the knobs as well, depending on what has been selected. We can change to the folding and squaring options that we had last year as well. Our morph envelope as well, where the notes kind of flow through time, and we can set this up with our envelope button here, add points and change each point in time. And we have our amplitude envelope, very visual and clear, because it's so fun to kind of control the attack and the release completely independently. And we have kind of built-in player options with the string here and more. And we'll have sequencer options and kind of live looper options for an internal standalone machine. But I'd like to kind of hand over so we can hear some music to DJ Airplane and Spaceship, staying in Rocket Ship.
So we're listening to this module, this unit here now, yeah?
So we're going to be playing all 4 timbres at the same time. So now we're playing 3 of them. Different voices, different presets on each one. While it's running, Steinen can even experiment a little bit with playing around with editing options.
So each of the sounds are represented by different colors on the unit,
yeah,
is that right?
So the timbres have different colors, and the LEDs on the knobs that are actuated and connected to them are lit up in the same color, so you can kind of see which ones you're editing at each time. And our design aim through the whole thing is to kind of get this synergy of the physical kind of knob controls where you control with your hands and the touchscreen, and really make that speak together, both through the colors, through the lights, and through kind of the options that you have.
Superb. It's great visual feedback, really, really nice.
You can even play.
Oh, that's cool.
helps you a little bit when you're on the touchscreen to kind of hit the whole frequency so it doesn't go out of tune, but you can take it a little bit out of tune and then kind of play around with the. Where do we have this one? Yeah, this is nice, the bass. Let's control this a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's some good FM sounds. So, and what messages are being sent from the MPC here?
So right now it's mainly just node on and node off messages that are being sent from the MPC. We're using the regular MIDI in here, although on our demonstrator unit where we have a keyboard hooked up, we're using the USB option.
Oh,
Sorry,
great. Nice to have the option of both of them.
Yeah. So yeah, what we've been doing, we've really been working hard on this hardware, getting that up to speed. We've been working on our engine, but the lead time for hardware is long. So the user interface has kind of been catching up to that, and we have time now while the hardware is getting prepared and our production lines are getting ready to really take the user interface to the place where it supports the machine that we have built at this point.
Great.
So we're showing you this part of the user interface which is furthest along, but as time goes we'll be introducing new parts of the user interface that we're very excited to look at.
I think we particularly enjoyed the preset saving where you draw a little picture.
Shall we do that? We can do it on the other one actually. Oh, there are different presets here. Oh yeah, okay. Go on, let's save this one, or let's, yeah. Sorry. Shouldn't be all. Okay, we like this one, so we're gonna save that. So I'll find a nice spot here. And I'll draw a little, because we have Sonicstate here with a little camera recording images of us, and we're talking and we're really happy. This will be our little save. So
Fantastic.
if we load it again, we have our little image here. We can load it back up, or we can go to a different place here. Load the same one back up, and we have it there.
Lovely.
If we go to this one, we actually have a nice selection of fun pictures. Here we have a few frogs. Here we have some nice ones. So yeah, this is something we really enjoy.
Excellent. So you think it will be out early next year?
Early next year is where we're at, yeah.
And do you have
we
rough
have a little
price
bit
in
of a
mind?
pre-sale already on our website, where we're kind of allowing people who really want to be early and want to be part of the first batch to participate with us by participating in that pre-sale. But we'll advertise a closer pre-sale later and a proper launch close to
And
New
how
Year.
do people get the pre-sale? Where do they need to go to?
They can go to lovesynthesizers.com, which is our website, and the pre-sale links are already there. We have some
Excellent.
flyers here with QR codes, if you can.
I'll grab one. Great. Well, thank you so much for the performance and the talk.
Yeah,
We really
thank you
appreciate
so much for showing up again, and yeah, have a good one.